Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Tools Master, your go-to place for mastering online tools. Today, I'm diving into something fun and creative, the text to ASCII art converter. So why is this tool so exciting? Well, you can choose from over 148 preloaded FIGlet fonts, or even import a custom font from a URL. Plus, you get to control the layout with options for horizontal and vertical kerning. This means you have full control over how tight or spacious your ASCII art appears. Let's jump into an example. I'll start by converting the text, Hello World, using the banner font with a fitted layout. As you can see, the letters are squished next to each other as close as possible, both horizontally and vertically. Now let's see the same text with the full layout option. This time the letters are spaced out, giving a wider and more spaced out appearance. For this third example, let's get a bit more creative. I'm going to use a custom wet letter font, which we've imported from a relative URL. Notice the difference in style? It adds a more artistic flair to the ASCII art. Pretty cool, right? Now it's your turn. Get creative and try out the text to ASCII art converter yourself. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, check out our previous videos on converting UTF-8 to Hex and UTF-8 to Bytes for even more handy tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.